welcome to my channel. Sharon here. Thank you very much for being here and taking time out of your day to be with me. Today is challenge day with Shop My Stash 2026, hosted by Lorie at Enchanted Dreams 71, and it's full page pockets. And the plan is to use this envelope, so it would go over a page like this. You'd have a pocket here, two pockets here, and then a tuck spot or side tuck there. So it's a really simple one to do, and we just cover the envelope with paper. And what I've got here is I've been clearing out like a good girl, and I've got these pieces here that I want to use. You see, I really like this. I was going to cut round it, and obviously I didn't for some reason. No idea why. So I was thinking, but if I put that on there, it's going to be covered with pockets. So I'm thinking this should go on here. There. Out there. Now I do need to ink this first all round, because I'm not going to completely cover it, and then I've got to decide what papers I'm going to use for the pockets and what paper I'm going to put on the front here. I have no idea. We'll go with this to start off with, and I'll ink first. Okay, I found this. Not sure what I intended to do with it, but I think I'm going to use this for the pockets. The front. I'll just tear it down so I know what I'm working with. Okay, I actually want more writing, so I want it the same size as this. So I think I'll go like, I'll trim off down there, and I will make them 2 inches, I think. Yeah, 2 inches. I'll just cut these down. Right, so like that. So I need to punch a divot in this. I've put the two of them together so I can get it lined up. Okay. Just going to do the small one. And I just eyeball to get an idea for the middle. Oops. And then on this one, I need to do the same here. Might make this one slightly bigger. There. Okay. So I need to ink around these two, and then glue everything in. Now I'll just put them aside because we have this to do. Now, because this is the other side of the page, I'm going to go for something that's it doesn't need to match anything. So I'm going to go for this. And what I normally do is take this there and I draw around. It will be too big, but I can then place it on and trim it up. There. So I usually place it on like this. Then I know to trim a piece off the bottom there. Just a slither. Maybe a slither more. Right, I need to ink, and I will stick all these pieces down in their relevant places. You don't want to see me sticking lots of things down, do you? Like that and like that. And then we need to make some tags for this as well. This is all covered and inked and all ready to go, and I want to make some tags. So first of all, I've got this one I want to put in here, and I've got some strips that are left over that I want to put on here. I think you've seen me do this before, where I take these strips that are left over and I make tags with them. Just cover them, and it gives you, depending on the colour, a sort of neutral. So this will be a blue background. I will mark where that's going to go. There. So when I glue, I know what I'm gluing on. So it's like that, which I then want to put something on it, and I was thinking something like this, maybe with a blue flower, and maybe or no, that's not big enough. Oh, quite like that. I like that. Okay. I've already got a journal card here that I think comes from Shabby Dabby Doodah. I don't know which kit or anything. I've realised I've got to go through all my ephemera, you know, the digital ephemera I've got cut out in the plastic CD wallets. There's a lot of odds and ends I've got, and I've decided to put them all in one big basket, and hopefully I'll keep that next to me and I will pull from it when I need to. And I thought I could put this piece of ruffle there. And this. Onto there. yeah, I'm hoping it's going to work and that I can use up some of the stuff I've had sitting there. The bits of ephemera like this. This must have been sitting there for a couple of years. And it's in a pouch named Shabby Dabby Doodle, but I never tend to look in them. So I do need to look at that. Oh, yes, I like that. Then I have this tag. Again, it was out of the same plastic CD wallet. No idea what kit. And I am assuming that it's from Shabby Dabby Doodle, but it may not be. I might have just stuck it in there because it was a one-off. And again, I do need to start using this sort of thing up. Now, I was thinking that. Or I like that. Or one of them. Maybe just that. I've got a few of these, haven't I? No. I think that, with it wrapped around, wrap it at that point there, because it is still quite decorated. I hope that's going in down there. Okay, one of the other things, as that was quite easy to put together, one of the other things I've got here is the creme brulee kit from Ruby and Pearl. And again, it's the end bits I've got. And I was looking at what I could put in the pocket inside, and I came across this. It is a lovely sheet of paper, but I'm going to do something terrible and cut it down. I'm sure I will use the rest of it in other journals. I'm sure I will. And there. So when you try, always double check all this. Yeah, that will be better like that. So that's going to be like that. So I do need to back that. Now, the other tag I was looking at was taking this piece here as a card. And this will need trimming up, I know that. Let's see if it fits. No, you see it's too tall. So it needs something coming off here. And a piece off the bottom. Okay. Right. Okay, I need to back these and glue these down. And will that fit on there? Yes, it will. So I will back that onto there, and then we'll do some other decoration as well. I've backed this just with some tea dyed paper, and I'm just intending just to slip that in there. Yeah, now it's thicker, it is going in better. When I put this in a journal, I might put something on there like lace or something, I'm not sure. This one I've done, and I've decided to move it down there, and I'm going to put a piece of, I've just tied a bow with a scrap of sari silk. As you know, I've sorted all my sari silks out, and I've ended up with lots of scrappy bits. I really feel like this year I'm getting through this kind of thing that I've got left there. And widen it out like that. Yeah, I think I'm getting through. I'm hoping I will get through this year. I know we're only just, well, this will come out in March, so we're only just through it. And I've got some ring reinforcers that I've put ink, vintage photo ink around here. Oh, I've got one on there. Don't need that. I must have done that. And then this one as well has been done. Oops. And I just want to put some sari silk in. And again, I found this blue. This was the only bit I had left, and I had it wrapped around a card. And I thought, this is pointless. I might as well take it out, put it in. As you can see, there's a bit, oh, you probably can't see, I've got a bit coming out there. I thought I need to use this up. I sort of see it and I think, oh, it's too small for anything, like wrapping around a journal or whatever. So I kind of put it back. But no, I've decided now I need to use this up. There. So I thought that one could go down there. And then this one, which I think I will just tie. I will do a small tie on it. Like that. And slot this one in there. So it will go onto a journal page. Like this. Oh yeah, that covers a whole journal page, doesn't it? And then you've also got another pocket this side as well. I'm pleased with that. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed that, and I'll be back with the next challenge. I'll see you in a month with the 2026 Shop My Stash challenge. Thanks a lot. Bye.